Welcome to our guide on doing your own taxes. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to confidently manage your taxes at home. The first step is to gather all your necessary documents. Look for W-2s, 1099s, and any receipts for deductions. Next, choosing the right tax software is crucial. Look for features like user support, filing options, and cost. Let's now go through a step-by-step process for filling out your tax forms. It may seem daunting, but we'll make it easy. One of the best ways to maximize your refund is through deductions and credits. Let's explore some common ones you might qualify for. Now, you need to decide how to file your taxes. We have e-filing, which is fast and convenient, and paper filing, which some still prefer. It's essential to stay aware of tax deadlines. Mark your calendar with these important dates to avoid late fees. If you find out that you owe taxes, don't panic. Here are some options for making your payments easier. To simplify next year's tax season, stay organized. Here are some tips for keeping your records in check. And remember, if your tax situation becomes complicated, seeking professional help is always a wise choice.